All right, in this video we want to do batch processing, where we are going to be processing where we are going to be putting our initial stock. So we're going to do a general batch. So we go to transactions, then we go to inventory, then we go to inventory transactions. Then under inventory transaction, you click on new batch. Then here under new batch, you just click on OK. Right, so let me maximize my screen. So here line code, you pick the item. If your item is not in the system, you just right click and then click on add new. And then click on add new, you enter your item name. So let's say I'm into vehicle sales. So you just write maybe we put GD bus 65 seater. Let me put in caps lock GD bus 65 seater. Right. Then here you need to tick a serial number. That is if you are tracking serial numbers for your item. But for buses, definitely we are going to be tracking serial numbers. But if it wasn't that, we're just going to untick it. We're just going to tick here only where it's written warehouse item. After that, you go to pricing. Under pricing, we are going to put the cost of this product. So in this case, we put the last cost GRV. So I put here 55,000. And then here we want to put our selling price. Though we can change our selling price when we are selling, here also you need to put latest cost. So here you can change your selling price when you are selling, but by default there can be a set selling price that will be there in the system by default. So here choose the selling price, price 1, and then here price inclusive, choose your price inclusive. Maybe we can say the cost is 70,000 inclusive of VAT. Then you click on save and close. So after that, you can just click OK here. Right, so we have added our GD bus warehouse. You just click on master warehouse. Reference, you can just put opening stock here. Description again, opening stock. And then quantity on hand is showing as 0. Then quantity in, you need to put 1. Here also the date. If you were backdating our transaction, maybe we are putting 1 January 2024. You need to put your date there. And then here, since this item didn't have a cost, you need to put the cost again here, 55,000. And then project, you need to pick your project if you are using projects. But if you are not, just leave it like that. So here you put the quantity. And then let me say I want to put quantity 3 here. And then I click on validate batch. So the system is now telling me that I need to put the serial numbers for this batch. So I click OK. And then I scroll down here, look at this bar down here, I scroll to the left, I click on serial number. So here you need to put the serial numbers. So if it's A, so it's either the serial number or a chassis number. Here again you put DF, then you click on add. Here again you put another serial number and then click on add. So we've added our serial numbers and then you click OK. So that's it. So to add the next line, I just right click here and click on new line. So here new line, I select another item again. Let's say this item that I want to enter is not we don't track serial number for this one. So I click add new. So my item, first let me put the code. Let's say it's B001. So just follow the same process and do it the same process. So basically that's it for putting our opening balances for our stocks.